Alright YouTube, so I'm going to test out this oil filter from Motorcraft on a Jeep 4.0 liter straight 6 engine. The oil filter that I'm using is a Ford Motorcraft FL-1A. So let me go turn the truck on, see if we got any oil pressure. I just changed the oil. Alright, that's my oil pressure gauge. And I got oil pressure. I did turn it on recently for a couple seconds just to make sure, but as you can see, the oil filter is working and functioning because we have oil pressure. Let's check for any leaks. I don't see any leaks underneath happening. No drips. Let's look over here. And I have no drips. Alright, I think we're successful here. And let's check back at the gauge here. We still have oil pressure. Now I believe that Ford Motorcraft oil filter is the best filter for the 4.0 liter for the money, because you're getting a lot of value out of that oil filter. You're getting, one, an OEM oil filter. Two, it has metal end caps on both ends, and you're also getting a bypass valve inside of that filter in case you're doing a cold start, not enough oil. The oil's so thick it can't go through the oil filter. It'll just go right to the bypass and not starve the engine for oil. So that's my take on that, guys. If you got any questions about the Ford Motorcraft oil filter on a Jeep, just send me a comment below. Thank you.